Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining kind of the theory that if you, when looking at the stars and looking up into space at night, you are actually looking back in time. This is in a sense true. Allow me to explain. So, here is a credit to dreamstime.com for the image, a cartoon image of space. We've got the planets here, the sun at the center of our solar system, comets, all those things. We're just going to use this photo as to point to what I'm talking about. So here's Earth. When you're looking at the planets, you are seeing them in real time, because the planets, though they are hundreds of millions of miles away, they are still close enough that their light immediately reaches us. So when you look at the sky and you see Mars and Saturn and Uranus and Neptune, you are looking at them in real time and as they currently are. But let's go out further past our solar system. And here's other stars here, for example. Let's just treat this as a star cluster. So let's say you're looking at this star cluster here from Earth. Star clusters, distance from Earth, are measured in light years. A light year, obviously, is how far light travels in a year, which is about 6 trillion miles. So, if you look up a star cluster and see it's that many light years from Earth, you are actually seeing that star cluster as it was that many years ago. Because remember, it takes the light they emit that long to reach Earth. So the light you're seeing from them now, when you look at them, is the light they emitted that many years ago, due to the time it takes the light to travel from where they were to Earth. And it's a pretty mind-blowing thing if you think about it. Exactly how long ago it was you were seeing them depends on what star or what space object. Because, again, it depends on how far that specific object is away from Earth, thus affecting the amount of time it takes the light to travel from that object to Earth. And one light year being about 6 trillion miles, and also that many of these space objects are billions of light years away. When you look at them, you are seeing something as it was trillions of years ago. It's a pretty mind-blowing thing, and it takes a minute to wrap your head around it, but that's what makes astronomy and what makes stargazing such an incredible hobby, in my opinion. So, basically, the further the object is away, the longer from ago you are seeing it. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next video.